Hey YouTube gang, what's going on? MGBL is back. Feels like it's been forever since I made a video, even though I just made one last week. But anyways, today's unboxing will be a little interesting. And we will be unboxing the first generation iPad. Now, this was released in 2010, in March, but the keynote for this event was in January. Steve Jobs put it on stage. If you Google it, it's iconic because this device was so revolutionary during its time. And then after, you got little seeds of Android tablets just trying to catch up with the race. But we all know who won the tablet race in the end, right? But today's unboxing is going to be special because this is literally a first-gen product. Literally over 12 years old. And I've never owned this iPad. So I want to see this unboxing experience 13 years later. And then we'll go down and see what's going on with it. And I'll show you guys the specs and explain some little things about it. So let's get on to it. Now, I hope this thing powers on because I got it for a really good deal. But yeah, we'll find out as I open this. That. Oh my god, this box is so much easier to open than my other ones. If you guys see my previous videos, the boxing it came was insane. So much bubble wrap and stuff. Oh, never mind. Oh, we got a note here. What does it say? Thank you for your order. If you could leave positive feedback, I would appreciate it. Have a great day. Looks like a bit of chicken scratch here. I can't read this too well. Well, doesn't matter. Yeah. Good unboxing thing to get. I'll leave notes for anyone. Whatever. Okay, let's get into this. So, behind all this rubble here. Ooh, 30 pin. I have not seen these for like 10 years. Sheesh. Dang. Look at that. Oh, we all love the tangled cords, right? Oh my goodness. Okay. Look at that. So, 30 pin connector. This literally came out in the mid 2000s when they were switching over the iPod Touch Classic, I think 4th or 5th gen. For sure, this is over 20 years old, this connector. But anyways, yeah, look at that. Pretty dirty, but yeah. Oh, that's the cable. So now we get to the prize. I don't want to make a mess here, but this should be pretty easy. And here we go. Here's the iPad. Oh goodness, more bubble wrap. Urgh! Why so much bubble wrap? Why? Oh my goodness. Is there anything else in this box? Just a bunch of niblets? You guys want to eat some? Here, have some. Yeah? Yum. I'm kidding. Don't eat this. You'll probably die. I'm joking. Anyways, let's put this to the side and get into the review. Well, actually, wait. We still got to open this. Oh, my goodness. Goodness gracious, man. Just for once, can I have a simple package? I don't have to cut open and use this dinky knife. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. But yeah, I am not a fan of bubble wrap. The heck out of it. I'm like, dude, what are you trying to protect here? Like, you can wrap other things, and I'm pretty sure y'all know what you can wrap, you know. Make sure that's on tight. I'm kidding. But yeah, oh my goodness, man. What the heck? Oh, yo, peep that watch. Ultra 2. Another review coming for this soon. Just kidding. Let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Open. Open sesame. I feel like such a savage opening this. But I'm telling you, this stuff is literally... it's wrapped really good. Oh my goodness. If there was a job for a professional rapper, I'd give this guy a 10-star rating. Look at that. Okay, it's open, finally. Let's get all this junk out of here. Ugh. Blah. Okay, here is the first-gen iPad. It's pretty dusty. Oh my goodness. Always carry a microfiber, guys. Always make sure. Always make sure. Okay. Let's get into this. Alright, so here's the first-gen iPad. This is the Wi-Fi version, 16 gigabytes. And I'm going to give you a rough spec down of what this came with. So let's get into that. So essentially this has the same processor as the iPhone 4 when it launched in 2010. The A4 on a 32-bit process. Now, keep in mind, this only had 256 gigabytes of RAM compared to the iPhone, which had a gig. Don't know what Apple was thinking, but I guess they assumed 256 was good enough for this. But yeah, then you have your 30-pin connector right here, as you guys can see. Get that in focus. You got that. And then more speakers here. And then you have your headphone jack. You don't see these anymore. And I got a nice little stand here. Can I stand this up? Ooh, cool. I'm not even doing this right, am I? Oh. Okay. So very good, very good. Okay. So yeah, Apple A4 32-bit. The latest iOS sticker on was iOS 5.1.1, and this is unusable today. So I literally got this for show and tell because I plan on collecting vintage tech, old tech, right here, all this stuff. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty cool collection. It's been going pretty good in my collection, honestly. I can't complain. But I'm going to be using this as a review pad. So I'm going to be laying it flat like this. So you guys usually see this. I like the grip on this, but this looks suffice enough. Maybe I'll get like a blue case or something, or a red. Let's see if this powers on. Hold on. Oh, crud, it powers on. My goodness. Well, the guy did say it powered on, so let's see. I want to see some nostalgic iPad unlocking mechanisms here. Let's go. One, two, three. Come on, man. Well, I get it. It's 13 years old. What do you expect? Oh, did you see that? Woo! Slide to unlock. So nostalgic. Oh, I still got to set it up. Well, it's working. But yeah, as you can see, guys, this iPad is in pretty good condition for over 10 years old. Now, I'm going to show you my other iPad, the iPad Pro I currently have, the M1 generation. So clearly you can see the difference. Look at the bezel count here. Just look at the difference. The iPad has come a very long way since then, but it's been stagnant since 2018. Like, if you own one of these from 2018, there's no sense in upgrading to the M1. It's the same thing, because these have been on Apple silicone since day one. A4, A5, A6X, A7. They've all been on that silicone. So really, these iPads were on silicone since the early times in the 10s. But essentially, the MacBook switched in 2020, and then these have always been on it. So I don't know what to say, but man, we have come a long way since then. Check that out. Look at the size of it. It's still thick, but like, look at this. Oof. Wow. Pretty fascinating. But yeah, I'm gonna unlock this and jailbreak it, see what I can do, what content I can make. It's pretty much useless at this point. What are you gonna do with it? I mean, I don't know what you're gonna do with it. Y'all probably think I'm crazy. I'm like, why is this guy buying all these junk ritual things? But I'm like, I'm a collector. I want to admire it because this was a good piece of tech. It revolutionized the 2010s because everything else came after that. And I can vouch for that. Steve Jobs did a very good job introducing this product. He made a market that wasn't viable back then. So this is a good job. I'll give him that. Like, honestly, this was actually the original project, but then he switched over to iPhone to get it out sooner. And then he released this a year after because he's thinking, oh, I got to get this out, right? And, rest in peace to Steve Jobs, but he did leave his mark with this iPad. Honestly, really good device. I wish I bought it when it actually was usable, but I can enjoy it now. So anyways, guys, that concludes my iPad unboxing / comparison. But you can see the difference here. We've come a long way. We're in 2023 going into 2024. And technology is just moving at a rapid pace. You got artificial intelligence. You got these Snapdragon processors that are infusing AI. Like, look at the Google Pixel 8, for instance, right? I'm trying to get my hands on that because it's a good piece of tech. It's AI. And I want to get into that because I'm a tech tuber and I really, really love tech. But anyways, guys, have a good one. Stay tuned. Got a lot of more dinky junk to unbox and make it entertaining, Anyways, guys, peace out.